Okay, so there is a new report coming out that Apple is in talks with Hyundai for a possible car production in very soon. You understand? And it's been confirmed directly by Hyundai that they are in talks with Apple for a possibility of working together to build an electric car. So the what they announced is that Apple and Hyundai are in discussions, but they are in early stage and nothing has been decided. So this is something that they are looking to work on to see whether it would come to fruition and be a thing for people. Okay, so Apple reviewed this news on sorry, not Apple, Hyundai reviewed this news on Friday, pretty much confirming that they're already talking to Apple. You know, this thing is trending. So other real car manufacturers will like to tap into these trends to see how they can build hype and even more sales for their current cars. So this is really looking very cool, looking feasible. It's looking like something that may come in the future. We don't know yet. This is something that is being speculated. But for now, but my thoughts is that any Apple car that is launched in the near future would be very popular. It would even sell very well. I could even reckon that it may be the highest selling car in the world because Apple is really, really popular. Apple really has a reach, and I don't like Apple. This is coming from someone that doesn't even like Apple. But Apple has a lot of users, and they can monetize their users properly. So having their own car will probably be a great thing for them in the future. And that is it, guys. I'll bring you guys more CS news. Please subscribe to our channel. Do like our content. Follow us on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.